viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a rainy day regression vlog. I have some chores I need to get done and I'm going to take some relaxation time to rest, and then I have to go out into the city at night, which I'm very excited about. I know I've been gone for a while. I greatly apologize. My health has not been the greatest, but I am getting through it through sheer strength and determination. And if you are going through similar struggles, I believe in you. And yeah, anyways, let's get into my day. First off, I think I'm gonna go brush my teeth and take out and feed and care for my animals. I actually love the rainy weather so much. I think it's so pretty out. You can see my stuffies in the other room. I'm here now. I have this big pile of laundry that needs to get folded up, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. This is the second vlog I've done where I'm folding laundry really fast, but you know, I have a lot of laundry to do. It's definitely a big part of my life. So yeah, my vlogs definitely aren't the most eventful, but I hope you all enjoy it anyways. My laundry is all folded now, and I'm going to bring my caregiver her clothes. I'm gonna be reading Breaking Dawn from the Twilight series to decompress. It's one of my go-tos whenever the weather is rainy. It is just so comforting, and it makes me feel, I don't know, it just makes me feel like I actually live in Forks. So as you all can see, my little couch folds out into a bed, and then I have all my toys over there so that I can play while sitting on here. And then up there I have Twilight playing. I am almost done with the movie. It's a little noisy, sorry. But yeah, it is time to get ready to go. That's too close.